Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing the 30-second slime challenge. I'm not very good at making slime. Last time I made slime was like 2 years ago, so I don't know how good I'm going to be at this, but I'm going to be doing 2 different types of slimes. I'm going to be doing the regular slime and then that fluffy slime they use with shaving cream. You know, like it's like really looks like clouds. So before I start this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, hit it so I know you guys enjoy my videos and you want to see more. If you want to see more slime type of videos, make sure you give me a like and comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already, and follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter. Into the video. I'm going to do the first one, the first regular slime. I think you make that with detergent and regular glue. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to have this open, because I don't think really you can't have them open. Hopefully I don't pour too much. In my timer. Okay, I'm not going to have this. Damn it. Oh shoot. Oh crap. Okay. Okay. Can I see? Okay, ready? I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Oh god. Okay. I have 15 seconds left. I think I need more glue. Okay. No, 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 no! No, 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 no. Okay, need it. No, 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 no! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So. Oh shoot, I really don't know how to make this. I'm gonna try to make the fluffy slime now. That's glue, shaving cream, and borax. So 3, 2, 1. About 10 seconds, okay. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. I think it came through. What do you guys think? Look, it kind of moves like slime. Since the borax made such great slime, well, it wasn't as good as this when I first had it, but it sat down for a bit, so it's like better. I'm gonna use borax to make the original one too instead of detergent, because that was a hot mess. 3, 2, 1. Work a little bit, just a little bit. Start mixing. 15 seconds. Okay, mix it. 10 seconds. Okay, maybe a little more. Just a little bit more. Okay. This is so much better than what I had before. So much better than the goo with, it's so much better than the goo with the detergent. No? Yes. But this one's super sticky. Oh my god. Oh my god! Get off me! I can get off. It won't get off. Gene, it won't get off. Okay guys, so I successfully made fluffy slime and the regular slime. This is after like playing with it for a bit, but still, I made this in 30 seconds. And look, it works like real slime. So my conclusion is, if you're trying to make slime in 30 seconds, use borax. Detergent doesn't work at all. But yeah. So let me know in the comments if you guys think I took a W. I think I took a W. I bodied this challenge. If you're not already, subscribe, because what are you doing if you're not subscribed already? If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? I'll wait. Make sure you guys give me a big like. You guys have to keep liking my videos so I know you enjoy them. Or I can't make no more videos if I don't know you like it. So make sure you give me a like. And hope you see you next time. Bye!